I know you're just here for a Tangem wallet discount code, which I'm going to give you, but I also have some other resources that you should check out if you're still on the fence about buying a Tangem wallet, which I'll get to in just a minute. So this code will get you 10% off your entire order, not just one product, but literally anything you buy on the Tangem website. And that includes any new products that Tangem releases, including the Tangem Ring and any new crypto wallet wearables or anything they come out with. This discount code will work for those products. So just enter the code CyberSkrilla at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. So this will save you about $5 if you buy a 2-pack of cards, or about $6 if you buy the 3-pack. I know it's not a huge discount, but it is something. Plus, on the more expensive products that will come out in the future, such as the Tangem Ring, that will probably cost upwards of $150. Or if you buy multiple products, obviously this discount will have a greater effect. That said, if you're still on the fence about getting a Tangem wallet, I do have a comprehensive playlist with reviews, user guides, and sneak peeks of new products such as the Tangem Ring. Yes, this is a real prototype. So literally anything you want to know about the Tangem wallet or how to use it, that playlist is going to cover, and that will pop up at the end of this video. But if you just want a super quick overview of the Tangem wallet, I can give that to you right now as well. First, it's the most user-friendly cold wallet on the market. So if you're new to cold wallets or crypto in general, this is going to be the wallet that you want. And it only takes about 3 minutes to set up, and all you need to set it up is an NFC compatible either iOS or Android mobile device, your Tangem wallet, and the Tangem app. Second, just because it's easy to use doesn't mean that it's any less secure than a more expensive wallet. It's actually one of the most secure wallets on the market. They've sold over 1 million Tangem wallets and not a single one has been hacked. Plus, it has all these standard security features that you would expect from any reputable cold wallet, including an EAL6 Plus secure element chip, which is used to protect your private key, aka the key to your crypto wallet. And this is also the same kind of chip that's used in bank cards and electronic passports. Plus, it has other standard security features, like you can generate or import a 12 to 24 word seed phrase, and you can also import a passphrase, aka a hidden wallet. Third, it's the most durable cold wallet on the market. It's just a card. There's no components in it that are gonna fail anytime soon. And that's why Tangem is able to offer a 25-year product replacement warranty for this wallet. Plus, it's IP68 rated, so it's waterproof. It's resistant to extreme temperatures. It's also resistant to EMPs, X-ray machines, and electrostatic discharges. So this thing is almost indestructible. Fourth, Tangem has some of the best blockchain support out of any cold wallet on the market. Obviously, it supports all the popular networks and coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, including all ERC20 tokens, Solana, Cardano, and thousands of other networks. Of course, they don't support every coin, and I know a lot of people are waiting for certain coins to be added. But that's one thing I really like about Tangem, is they do take in the users' feedback and they listen to users, and they try to add all the coins that they can in a timely manner. So it's not like what you see is what you get. They're actively adding more blockchain networks so that they can offer more coin support. By the way, this isn't a paid chill. I use my Tangem wallet at least 2 to 3 times a week, which is way more than I use any of my other cold wallets. Honestly, just because it's the most convenient wallet and it's secure. And the reason why I share it on this channel, and I've been using this wallet before I even started sharing it on my channel, but the reason why I like to share it is because Tangem is innovative. They're always improving their product, and it's so simple to use. And honestly, simplicity leads to security. If you're using a hardware wallet that's difficult to use, especially as a beginner, then you can end up making mistakes. So that's why I often recommend Tangem, and that's why I made this video, to give you a discount code so that you can save some money when you buy the Tangem wallet. So enjoy that discount code. Check out my Tangem wallet playlist next, and I'll see you there. Peace out.